barbecue.
Good morning, welcome back to NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz. I'm glad to see you're here. Today we're cooking on the offset smoker. I haven't used it in a while. We're gonna cook us up a brisket today. Haven't done one in a while. It's a small brisket, not a real big brisket, but I am using a little home concoction on my rub today. We're gonna inject it with some cattle prod beef injection. But let's get going on this sucker. I need to get it trimmed up. We need to get it on the smoker so I can eat this sucker for dinner. Alright guys, just put it on, got my probe in, everything looks good. Hopefully that temperature will come down a little bit. I just opened it up so it's still down a little farther than what it was, but man, I don't want it to run 300. I want it to run down to 250 or a little lower yet, but it is 9:38 in the morning, so we'll see how long this sucker takes. Alright guys, sorry about the wind noise. I'm gonna do a quick time check. It's 12:46. We're sitting about 225. Look at it. I don't know if you can even see it. Ooh, there it is. It's looking real nice. Let her go. Alright, well this is taking a whole lot longer than I expected it to be, because that piece of meat's not very big, but I'm at 150. I did go ahead and wrap it. It's already wrapped up. Ooh, I don't know if you can see it. Wrapped up. And we're cruising. I cranked the heat up on it, 350, and hopefully, because we got to get to 200, man, and we got another 50 degrees to go. It's going to take a little while. So I was really hoping to be done by about 5, but an hour to go 50 degrees, I doubt it. So anyway, we're going to see what we can do. Hopefully we can keep that temp up for a while. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this here on my chest camera here, but 203 is where we're at. So I'm actually going to take this thing out of the pan, and then I'm gonna let it sit out for just a minute, just to make sure that it gets nice and dry. I want to dry the outside, dry that bark up just a little bit. So let's take a look to see if we even need to do that, but that's kind of my plan at the moment. I'm gonna pull this back out here just a tad. Yeah, see, look, get all that juice in there, which the juice is great and all, but my plan is, let's see if I can get that back out of there. Whew. Okay, put this back on. I'll pull the juices out. Whoa, sit right there. Now I'm just gonna let this dry up just a tad bit. just a tad bit. We're at 205. I'm just gonna let it go another degree or two just to get that bark nice and barky. All right, so we went up about 2 degrees, and I'm gonna take it, pull it back off. We're gonna put it back in the pan, and then we're gonna take it over here and we're gonna let it rest. It's really shrank up. I knew it wasn't gonna be a big piece of meat, but that really shrank up there. There we go. Hopefully you guys saw that. Wasn't watching where I was pointing my camera, but hopefully you've seen what I did. Okay, so we're gonna take this, and we're gonna go let this sucker rest. Whew. Okay. All right. Let's take this sucker out. We're gonna move it over here. Still pretty warm to the touch. Take this sucker out of here. Whoop. Look at that. Now, try to do this. I didn't have any gloves. I'm out of gloves, so I'm just gonna have to brave it. Hope I don't burn my finger off. Woo! She's nice and jiggly too. Look at her. All right. Get out the big knife. Let's slice this sucker. Look how pretty it looks. I think I'm just gonna go this way with it. I know everybody says, oh, there's a certain way to cut it. Well, I'm just gonna do it this way. So anyway, let's just take a little bit here. Oh, look at that. Look how pretty that looks. Just gonna slice her up. Woo! That looks pretty good. All right, so I'll take a quick break. I got that about half sliced. I just want to go ahead and taste it, show you what I think, and look at that. Look how good that red ring is there. My hands are all dirty from slicing, but look how good that looks. Give it a taste. Oh, nailed it on the rub. Nailed it on flavor. That's delicious. Alright guys, that is it for me. Thanks for watching this episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Hit that like button, hit that share button, subscribe. We'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna go eat because this stuff is phenomenal. This brisket is killer. Nailed it on that seasoning. Did my own little mixture. Not gonna tell you what's in it, but it was awesome and I love the flavor of it. That's probably the best flavor-wise brisket that I've ever made. I know it wasn't a very big one, but it is what it is. Brisket prices are outrageous. We need to make it $1.97 a pound again, just saying, but just my personal opinion. Anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at NewbieQ2020, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.